the mass
Ma'am,
division.
ma'am, even you can create in YouTube in the playlist max recording so we can see easily, ma'am.
Yes, yes. 2.73 divided by 1.3. In this case, we can't directly remove the decimal because the numerator and denominator having different decimal places.
Different decimal
So
places.
we can
So
make your denominator as
denominator,
whole
ma'am. So into 10.
Into 100.
into
10
10.
because,
Denominator
ma'am,
only you
because,
supposed to see. So
yeah, ma'am,
denominator means one place moving decimal 27.13.
27.3 by 30.
Come on, children, please. 27
Ma'am,
into 3 divide
27.3.
with
Ma'am, the
12.
answer is 2.1.
Ma'am, first
Ma'am,
we should to take
26,
2,
2.1.
1,
1 and point 3
Ma'am, 1.
and 1. Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, it's
Yeah,
not
13. So
it's
the answer is equals to 2.1.
very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
I got the correct answer.
yes,
And the sixth question is a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol?
yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
it
answer is
means we
18
should take
kilometers.
division 18
Ma'am,
kilometers.
the
And
answer.
first we should say, ma'am.
exactly. Here,
Ma'am, first we can do problem and again
yeah, we
somebody
supposed to write
confused, ma'am.
only one application sums we have. In that also very simple bit, children. With the 2.4 liters of petrol, a vehicle can travel 43.2
40.
kilometers. So with 1 liter of petrol means you have many liters, and you need to find one means you should always do division, children. If you
Yeah.
know many, you want to find one means you should do division. If you know
No, one
if you want to do find out many means you should do
multiplication.
it. Children, shall I clear the screen? Are you doing?
Yeah, ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can answer.
You
Sahit
can.
Verma,
Yes.
Sahit, Nana Sahit.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, otherwise you can scroll.
Okay. Yes, yes. That thing
Yes,
you can.
ma'am.
Yes. Did you complete it, ma?
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Please complete
Ma'am,
it.
otherwise you can scroll, ma'am, because anyone have documents again you can show.
Okay. Okay. Right. Right. That point I will, or else I will zoom out.
Yeah.
Sixth one in your exercise, children. What is the first statement we supposed to write here?
And the distance to travel by a vehicle in 2.4 liters is equals to.
Yes. Um,
Ma'am, total distance covered.
yes, total distance covered with total distance, or else distance covered with
Ma'am, 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol.
Ma'am, we
2.4
should keep
liters
2.4 liters, ma'am.
of petrol,
Of 43.2 kilometers.
43.2
Is equals to
kilometers.
43.
Yes. Therefore, the distance covered with 1 liter of petrol is question mark. So
Question mark and for 432.2
shall
divided
we
by
use decimal
2.4.
point directly here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You can you
Yeah.
ma'am,
can
you can.
take into 10
Yes.
because the decimal numbers are same.
Or else in numerator and denominator you have same number of decimal places. You can directly remove that.
Yeah,
No
ma'am.
need of
Ma'am,
doing
point 2, point 4.
Endama, Srishti?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, point 2, point 4. So into 10, ma'am.
Oh,
Oh no, what is the division I'm asking?
okay, okay.
432 you're supposed to do.
Ma'am, she's telling that 43.2 and 2.4. So the decimal places
Oh,
are
okay,
same.
okay. 13?
Ma'am, the answer is 18
Ma'am,
kilometers.
Yes. Let me.
I got the
ma'am
answer.
is doing the
8.
problem.
Yes, it's a
19.
192.
You
So
can
how many times?
192.
22.
8, ma'am. 24
8,
8.
ma'am.
It's a 192. So
192 0.
0. So it
So therefore a vehicle covers
18 kilometers with 1 liter of petrol. You have to conclude the statement
ma'am
also.
Therefore, a vehicle covers 18 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol.
Yeah, a vehicle covers. Therefore, the vehicle can cover 18 kilometers with with 1 liter of
Petrol.
yes. That's all, children. This is a very simple application part. Now my task is over. You have a lot of tasks to complete. I'll give few sums. You're supposed to start working on the sums. I won't. You just complete the task and put in the chat box so that I can see the students who are doing correctly. This
Ma'am, now we will discuss the homework.
last 10 minutes we will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have to do some small test now in the class only. How much you are understanding in decimal multiplication and division, I want to check so that I'm giving 5 bits in multiplication, 5 bits in division. First I will give in division, then I will give in multiplication. Come on, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, afterwards, can you explain 2.4, ma'am?
Yes, I will. I'll help you. 2.4. What is that application, Nana?
Ma'am, division, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Fractions. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, fractions.
Okay, I'll help you. Don't worry. I'll help you. And I can see there is a new student is in the classroom. Can I know the name of the student here? Yes, I think who is this new joining today? It is Swastika.
Raju. Raju.
Ma'am, who, ma'am?
Ma'am, can we start test?
Yes, shall I give? Shall I clear the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, you can clear it.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, Kunal. Children, your brain should be present when you are doing mathematics, not your body. You always, you should be, your brain should be present. Then only we can complete math. Math means while doing the sum, you have to listen what is.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
What is that? Who is that?
Yeah, ma'am, he's saying.
No, I'm not clearing. I'm waiting. Please complete the task. That's why I'm telling. Don't copy from the board. Always use your brain to do the sums. Once you
Yes, ma'am, we can change it.
Ma'am, I joined new, ma'am, so I have missed the 2.1
that's okay.
and I.
That's okay, Ritvik. That's okay.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I have written, ma'am, by my own.
Okay, good.
Till 2.3 I have completed. In 2.4 I have doubts, so I
Okay.
stopped it.
Can I give division sums, children, for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing on the screen the questions.
Ma'am, we need to message.
Yeah, once you complete it, please you just put a chart answers. So that I can see the answers.
Ma'am, we will keep at a time, ma'am, because again middle it will disturb.
Small test, children, today. How much you?
Ma'am, it's quiz or we need to write.
Yes, you
No,
have
we
to
should
write in the book and put
Ma'am?
the chart.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually there's a power cut in my home, ma'am. That's why I could leave anytime, ma'am.
Okay. 0.65 divided by 10. Directly you can answer also, children. These are the division bits because division with tens and hundreds and thousand, you can directly answer the question. Divide with 1,000. Next question is 120.04 divided by 100. Good. Next, fourth one is 5648. 5648.908 divided by 0.01, and the fifth bit is okay. Fourth one no need, children. Fourth one I will give in some other different way.
What, ma'am? Fourth one? Ma'am, fourth one is not do.
Yeah, fourth one I'll give other bit more. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one is divide 348.27 divided by 10. This case I didn't explain, but you try it children. You know the division. You try it. I already explained one case I gave for you like that. 124.56 divided by 6, and the seventh bit is 6.54 divided by 12, and the other bit is eighth one is divide.
Ma'am, you didn't write sixth one, ma'am.
Okay, you make it as 6, 7. Okay, sorry. 37 divided by 16. Eighth bit. Eighth bit. Eighth bit is sorry, please just a minute. What happened? Pranav, Shiva Pranav, you are continuously log out and log in. Continuously log out and log in is happening. What happened? Yeah, 12 point, which bit I gave divide 1 to.
Ma'am, this is test, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, please complete it. Divide 37 by 16. Seventh one is 16. Different models, all the models I'm covering and giving children. Please try to do all the bits. Try to do all the bits. Divide 37 by 16 is over. Then divide a fraction with fraction. 0.9612. 9612 divided by 0.027. And last but not least, 9th one is 0.48 divided by 8. And the 10th one, 22.5 divided by 1.5. Now these 10 bits, please complete it and put a chart box. I am continuously watching the chart box. If you have any doubt in this, please let me know. Put IDK so that I can help you.
Ma'am, after we're done writing the whole test, after that, can we send it in the chat?
Yes, yes. Once you complete all and you can send at a time, that is easy for me to check also.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Jait, which bit you have doubt?
Ma'am, like in fifth bit, there is no point, right? Beyond 6, no, ma'am. We should,
Direct whole number division you're supposed to do.
ma'am, we should do directly division.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay, ma'am. When we get the answer, we should keep the point as.
After getting, you're supposed to keep the decimal point.
Okay,
Where
ma'am.
you will get decimal point in the question, that time you have to upload.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done all, ma'am.
Very good, Srishti. I'm checking your.
Ma'am, I have not yet chatted, ma'am.
Srishti, did you completed your homework what I gave yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
All the bits completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt with that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now you will explain for the remaining students. They have few more doubts in that.
Ma'am, I have done the another method, ma'am.
Any method, any method. I don't want whatever the method, whether you are understanding the concept or not, I want. I kept my pen somewhere. There are two students, very competitive spiritly they are sending. Okay, everyone are doing good.
Ma'am, I have texted you, ma'am, also.
Yes, I can see Ahana gave the answers. First bit correct, second bit correct, third bit 1.2.
Ma'am, Shrishti is sending the answers for everyone.
Please, Srishti, don't tell answers now. Let them,
Ma'am, I have said it only 1 and 2, ma'am.
let them try it.
Then I realized that I sent it to you
Yeah, yeah.
personally.
Let them try with their. Let them think. Yes, I can see Mahavir also sending. Kunal, Ahna.
Ma'am, I send all the answers.
Yes, Mahavir. I'm checking. You're sending differently. I'm seeing here. Once division is over, we will go with the multiplication part.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in 8th bit.
Eighth one. What is your doubt, Jait? You see,
Ma'am, it's like 0.9612 divided by 0.027. Like there are two different.
0.027. Very good. Good question here. Anyway, here 3 decimal places. Here 4. You just make your denominator as denominator as a whole number, so that 1, 2, 3, 3 decimal places you need to multiply with. You need,
1000.
Ma'am, 1000.
yes, so that
Ma'am, 1000.
decimal jumps 3 places to the right side. 961.2 divided by 27. Now you do normal division, Jay.
Ma'am, we do normal division.
Ma'am, I
961.2 divided with 27. 27, how many times? 27 threes are how much, ma? The 7 threes are 21.
Ma'am, 81.
81. So this becomes 15. Bring down 1. So 151 means how many times 151? 27. Shall I take as 27?
Ma'am, can you take 5?
Yes, let me check with 27 5s are 35. 5 2s are 10.
Ma'am, 135.
Yes, 135. So it's a 5s are 135. Now what is left over? You see 11 minus 5 means it's 4. Now you have decimal point, put decimal point and bring down the 2. Now you have to check 27 how many times? 135 plus 27 you have to check one. It's 12 at 6 162. Yes, so it becomes 6 times 162. Remainder is 0. Yes, Jay, did you understand, Jay? You got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same way you supposed to do the remaining. Yes, I'm writing the answers on the screen. Please check yourself, children. First bit it is 0.065.
Ma'am, it is 0.065.
Yes. Second bit is 0.123 and 4.
05. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain the sixth bit?
Ma'am, it is 0.05, 0.
Okay, we'll check. We'll check. Don't wait a minute. We will check.
Ma'am, can you ask randomly?
Okay, 1.2004. Next one. Next one. Just a minute, ma. Just a minute. I'm coming.